Good morning, friends. Myself Premlata from Premlata's garden, and you can see this beautiful morning from my roof. And I was busy in the household work, so I have never make any video. And my garden was so mess on that. After Diwali, I was busy, so I was unable to give time for my garden. And in this duration, I have missed my garden so much. But today, I am giving you my overview of garden because it's after rain, the winter is started, and it's blooming so beautifully in a good manner. So I just thought to make a small tour for my rooftop garden. So let's begin. You can see this is the new member of my garden, and this is the garlic vine, and you can see the beauty of flowers. It has in two shades, and purple and white and light pink also. And you can see the birds, and this is my gomphrena. You can see blooming so well. This is coxcomb. The flower are fine, and some flowers are still showing their beauty. And after that, you can see this beautiful adenium. It has two colored shades, pink and dark pink, and you can see that it's blooming well. But after that, in winter, it will be went into the dormancy. And you can see this is this clancho, and I have put some mustard cake, so you can see the fungus on that. This also you can see the zinnia, small zinnia, and you can see this beautiful flower again. This is by mogra, and this is powder puff. You can see this beautiful flowers, and you can see the hibiscus are blooming so well. It has, but in this hibiscus you can see, yeah, but I have to plug it because if I will not pluck it, it will spend everywhere in other flowers and other plants also. So I have to cut it from here. I will cut it from properly after this video. You can see this. You can see this. These birds are so beautiful, but yeah, but the millibug is destroyed. You can see this tomato. It's blooming well. I have to put some fertilizer now. You can see, because the heavy rain, the everything is wet till now, and in the morning it has fog. So you can see this is my rose, and it's blooming. You can see the bird. And now I will show you the zinnia. You can see the flower of the zinnia, and in the sun side it looks so beautiful. This is my sun. This is my sunflower, and you can see the seeds of this. You can see the lot of seeds here. I will put all the seeds. I will collect all the seeds, and I have put some inside. If it will be grown or not, I don't know about this, but I will collect all the seeds for the next time, because this flower is I will cut it from here and collect the all seeds. And this is a lysum, and you can see the beauty of these tiny flowers. This is alysum, and I have grown these alysum from seeds only. And this one is also still blooming. You can see this is my danthus. You can see again it's blooming so well. This is carrot. You can see the leaves of carrot smell so beautifully. You can see that this is my croton has died. I don't know why, but it's died now. You can see this flower is This rose is also blooming, but there is no bud in this rose. Only still this left, otherwise all the roses are blooming now. And you can see the most beautiful plant of winter, the chrysanthemum. Is, you can see the blooms are here so well. And this is my croton, and you can see the cucumber is here. You can see this one is big now, and I will cut it after 2 or 3 days. This is the mogra and mogri, and you can see the flowers are here. This is also a tomato, and you can see the small tomatoes are here, and it's overweighted. You can see the spinach is here. I have cut it once and it's ready now to cut again. And these are diet plants, the seasonal plants, but without care plant can't survive even. And now this is my lemon. You can see, just because of heavy rain, the water stored so much in the pots, and this why the plants are not growing well. And you can see the leaves are pale now, just because of over excess water. Because in the winter the plants require very less water, but due to rain it get a water floater. You can see this is also started blooming. You can see my Vishnu Priya Aparajita started blooming again after rain. Earlier I thought that it will be went in the dormancy, but just because of rain it started blooming, and it's blooming so well. This is Ratrani. And I will show you some plants are still going in dormancy, started going dormancy just because of winter. This is my hibiscus. This is again tomato. You can see are growing well. It's also heavy. You can see these rows, tiny rows. The stem is overweighted, and these are also white rose. It's blooming and blooming and blooming so beautifully. This is also, you can see the birds on it. This is again my another adenium. These both are have same color, and this one is also blooming. This is my pink amphrena, and you can see the seed spots are ready. It's dry, it's become dry. You can see, but it's blooming so well. And this one is also blooming. You can see this one is also blooming. It has a heavy buds on it. Now this is in the shade. These are the plant. Now let's see what happens with them in this duration. You can see the birds have fanned on this. This is growing well, but it is not growing in a well order. I will do something for this now. I have to spend some time for the garden to make it clean and neat. This is my petunia. This is my favorite color, and it's blooming so well. And you can see this almond vine, and this is the railway creeper. You can see the birds are here. This is again my two danthus are blooming so beautifully. Winter is the best time for the flowers. And this is my trichomia, and after 2 years wait, now it's blooming. This is my madhukamini. You can see the birds and flowers are there over there. These all are growing so beautifully and in a well manner. I thought that maybe some plant will die without care, but they all are doing so well. This is my Christmas tree, and you can see my poinsettia. I will put it now in the sun, where the sunlight come, to make it more beautiful, and it will get its proper color. You can see this clancho is again here. You can see this lalsa. The leaves are growing dry just because of winter. And this is my coleus. Sorry, this is my this. Now you can see these plants. This is snake plant. This is cut down from there and fall down. You can see this is one is also growing so well. In winter there's the benefit because plants want a less water. Now this is my succulents. You can see this is also here growing so well, doing quite well. These all are my petunia, peperomia, and these cuttings, everything is doing so well. It takes a time. This is dry now. They all are doing so well. Let's set it everything in there. And you can see this one is also, I have cut it from here, and you can see the new shoots started from here. And you can see this one is also blooming so well. This is cutting of clanchos. I have put it in the sheds just because of rain, and now after that I will put all these plants in the sun. You can see this is my zebra haworthia, growing quite well. You can see these small plants. This is also doing so well. This string of pearls. This is cactus. The string of banana. All plants are doing well and nothing mess with this garden. I hope you all like this video, today's video, and you will start appreciated this work, and I will post more and more beautiful videos again. So please like and subscribe my channel to promote it, and thank you. Have a nice day, and keep sharing and keep subscribing my videos. Thank you.